We are here to discuss
the proper uses and the importance of PowerPoint in
students, especially in UMS.
We are the four impacts and work on the humanities and social sciences branch.
Hello guys, I'm Dessa and welcome to our informative vlog. So let's start. What do you know about PowerPoint? Anyone? So, we are here to discuss about it. Our topic is all about PowerPoint. So now Jarrell will explain to us some of his thoughts and information about PowerPoint.
So hi guys, once again, I am Jara and I am here to discuss the uses of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software application that is particularly used to represent data and information by using text, diagrams with animation, images, and transitional effects, which are in the forms of slides. Here are some common uses of PowerPoint. Use PowerPoint to make tutorials for the purpose of training or educational context. PowerPoint can be easily used to create worksheets and tutorials. Use PowerPoint presentation as a digital portfolio. Prepare nice animation using PowerPoint. Use PowerPoint as a photo slideshow. More can be used and done with PowerPoint, but these are still common and most relevant when we use PowerPoint. Now, I discussed to all of you some of the uses of PowerPoint, but there are still more features and information about it. Let's hear it from Ate Dessa.
Thank you, Quiz Jarrell. Now, you already know some of its information, but I'm here to inform you the features and who invented the PowerPoint. The overall performance of PowerPoint is to catch the audience's attention using visual effects. It is a highly recommended in presentation. PowerPoint is there to make sure to not make your slides too wordy, to concentrate on adding only basic bullets. PowerPoint also enables the user to store, track multiple versions of file and collaborations with other users. Microsoft PowerPoint, virtual presentation of software developed by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin for the American computer software company Ford. The program, initially named Presenter, was released for the Apple Macintosh in 1987. Robert Gaskins invented PowerPoint idea manages development at a startup for 3 years, and then headed Microsoft business unit in Silicon Valley for another 5 years. I hope you get familiarized its features and the person behind its existence. Now, Ate Clarilyn will going to inform us some of its importance. Are you ready, Ate Clarilyn?
Right. Thank you, Ate Dessa, for that amazing information. Now, I'm here to discuss some of its importance. First, it's controllable. It is easier to select a theme and ensure that the presentation is moving properly with the visual aid that PowerPoint gives. The presenter can also determine which area of the presentation is worth focusing on due to the range of tools provided. Second, it interacts with the audience by including the appropriate stuff on the slide such as graphics, photographs, and videos. The audience will be able to form a more complete mental picture and retain the main message. And lastly, it can assist you in persuasion. Whether you are attempting to share a new concept with your colleagues or classmates, by reporting on the topic assigned to you by your teacher, or persuade your clients to invest in your proposal, PowerPoint can help you improve your presentation and maximize the impact of your story. PowerPoint can easily help us in doing such things. Yeah, we know it's hard, but if you learn it well, it can easily for you to do your work faster. Lastly, Ate Tina did some research about it. Let's hear it from.
Hello guys, before we end off our vlog, I want to share my experiences and information regarding the PowerPoint. How useful or important is PowerPoint to UM students? As a grade 12 UM student, PowerPoint is very useful and important for me, especially in my strand. PowerPoint can be a productive tool to affirm information in the classroom and encourage students like me to learn. We can use PowerPoint to our project illustrations to catch audience observation and awareness using the visual. Also, PowerPoint is highly recommended for speakers, especially in our strand, humanities and social sciences, that always might find hard and stressful doing presentations. It can help us overcome our fear in doing public speaking by building the center of attention of the listeners or viewers on the PowerPoint rather than the reporter. In addition to, it allows the audience to create a filled picture in their mind to remember the message more. PowerPoint is beneficial to UM students by using slides as a keynotes and control the overall presentation to set a theme and reassure that the performance is running smoothly and worth focusing on.
So that's it.
For our blog,
We hope that all of you
get to analyze and learn it properly.
thank you guys for watching and listening.
Once again, you're the 4th year program. Your growth needs time.